at this. Oh! Well,
You have to run away.
whoa.
Don't cut me.
Hello guys, today is a really special video because I'm heading up to meet with JoyOnWheels, and that's absolutely unbelievable for me because I remember 6 months ago I was playing Minecraft. I don't know if anyone saw that live stream, and I won this competition and got 10 bucks out of it, which is not that much, but come on, it's still a win, right? Now we just have to drive for 5 to 6 hours with the G2 Master in this trunk right here. So it's time for an epic driving montage. This is insane. A whole entire bus of fans just pulled up. It's absolutely insane.
Yes, you shake his hand.
He doesn't even know me. You are here just at another level of famousness.
You're gonna get bigger than me.
Impossible. We had a 5-hour drive, as you saw, guys. It's amazing to see him in person, and the fact that I am next to this monster. Look at this battery. It's bigger than my whole deck on the Master. Like, big problem today and tomorrow, because I'm going to stay 2 days in his city. It's going to rain really bad with thunders and everything. I'm going to go with him. Hopefully he doesn't kidnap me. Oh, you splashed me!
Oh, I splashed you!
Yes! Again! The first thing about your city, you have a lot of bike lanes. Like,
Yeah, very much bike lane.
they have little big buildings.
New neighborhood.
My city doesn't have new neighborhoods. They have just communist block, communist block, communist block. Road, no bike lane, because bike lanes not. Whoa, what?
He's one of my most favorite content creators on the YouTube.
And he's my favorite content creator. And the guy that inspired me to start it all.
Yo, dude, do you know what this place?
I don't have any clue.
This is where I do the unboxing.
This is the unboxing spot.
Yeah, those are the buildings.
You do it like this.
More further.
Oh, that's where.
Yeah, right there.
This is 100% a fever dream. Just look at him. He's popping wheelies like crazy on a wet road. Absolute insanity.
My deck is slippery here.
Of course.
This is the exact place where I'm doing the unboxing.
Like, look at this.
Challenge, do an unboxing here.
With this weather right now. Please ignore my clothing because I went to a wedding. Just look at my... I wore them just once.
I wanna do some wheelies on these.
These come with the e-scooter?
No.
You have connected the battery.
Yeah, you can switch between this battery or this battery.
On a button?
Yeah, you can only use one at once. It has 2 switches. If you turn on this switch, it's gonna use this battery. Turn on that switch, it's gonna use this battery. If you use both of them at once, you're gonna see fire.
I am just amazed by this. He's a qualified electrician at this point. Let's see. Wheelies on the M4Max by JoyOnWheels.
Okay, G4Max.
Oh, the G4Max. Sorry.
Okay, one more try.
One more try. Alright. On the G4Max without a battery.
Wait, let's switch actually. You can take the handlebars even more up, you know?
No.
Wait, let me show you. Overclocking handlebars.
I'm just finding things by the minute when being here.
Not as safe, but you can do it.
Holy! Holy! Wow! This drives exactly how you would expect it. Look at that! Nah, I'm watching a master at work. You didn't know how to wheelie at once, you were like me. And now you know how to wheelie perfectly.
Not quite though.
How do you feel wheeling my G2 Master?
Nice!
G4Max with JoyOnWheels on it versus e-scooter supremacy on red G2 Master. Let's see. Race. Who win this is better at YouTube. Tell me when.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go. Whoa, 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 my tire is sabotaging me. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. He absolutely destroyed me. You got your battery?
I got my battery, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Where we're going?
Center! The first time I met this guy, I was doing a live stream when whoever is building the most beautiful house, he's gonna win.
That's what I was talking about. Bike lane crosswalk?
Yeah! You can get on this crosswalk on the scooter.
Without breaking the law?
Yeah, if it's green light. 3, 2, 1. Green light!
It was not green light.
Green light! Green
Green light. Green light.
How
Doesn't
much
work. Oh, okay. I think this video is amazing, seeing Joy on Wheels in a third-person view. Absolutely unique. You're taking me to the city center, you said.
Yeah.
And we are allowed to go in the city center with e-scooters?
Yeah, trust.
Okay, alright.
Oh yeah, I forgot to plug it back.
Come on, it's a race against time. 60 seconds, come on. Doesn't work.
3, 2, 1.
It doesn't work.
Green! Yeah.
No, no! I didn't have time to plug my brake sensor, come on! Your town center is really empty.
Wait, this way.
It got pretty crowded.
So empty, you said?
That's a really cool place. Whoa, whoa, that is a cooler place than that place. Oh, you have to check for trams here.
Yeah, you have to take this is like the middle of the city.
Alright. Why do you have a 2023 sign? 2025.
I guess it's just old. Another empty space.
We have a really big church.
Where I got my name from.
Wait, Joy on Wheels.
No.
Your birthplace name.
Take a left, take a left, take a left.
The tree branch just hit me. What is this? I'm fighting demon. Woo.
Made it actually, I'm impressed.
That was a test?
Yeah.
To see me fall?
Yeah.
What? You kid with fishing rod, recognize him.
What's up? Do you know who he is?
Hello?
No,
People don't know me, guys.
Supremacy.
I don't know.
He's laughing his ass off.
Are you getting any fish?
I don't know.
Good luck, dude.
Good luck, dude, on fishing, I guess.
Follow e-scooter Supremacy, dude. He's a goat.
He's not gonna follow me.
Yeah.
He's just going back to fishing.
Follow me.
I'm following. Where we're going now?
Julius Mall.
This is the famous Julius Mall. Wow. I'm like a peasant coming to the city. He's just meeting fans by the minute.
Do you know who is he?
He's Mr. Clown.
Second person that says I'm Mr. Clow.
Go on. Whoa, okay. Woo! Damn! Dude, what do you mean?
Whoa.
Freaking God!
What? I don't think we're allowed there. I thought Julius Mall is just a mall. This is a whole entire neighborhood. You have a piano. They have a piano on the street.
Yeah.
That's rich. They have commerces like in New York. I have only one building like a skyscraper and it's not finished for 15 years. Are these going to be good for my disc? I guess we'll find out. It's not very comfortable. Not very comfortable at all. Oh.
You did it!
I did it. This is a legendary place. Oh, there is a 30 zone and I'm going 38. I'm a criminal. That is really illegal.
It's the only way up though.
Now I know why security catches you all the time. You can see the whole entire city from here. Look at that. Oh, and he's just jumping off.
No, I'm not. That was scary. Never doing that again. No wonder why your tires are like that.
The biggest downhill of my life. Gotta fix the back fender. And now 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Holy! That was amazing! Profi! You gotta see this. He's just dancing. He's vibing. Waiting at the queue in Profi.
Well, enough for today. See you guys tomorrow. Good night, buddy.
You heard the man. That's enough for today. Tomorrow we'll do a ride out, but there is a big problem. I saw there is going to be a thunderstorm.
We'll see about it.
So, see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day. I'm already late as always, so let's get there. Okay, there are a bit more people than I expected. Insane. Hello, it's crazy, there are so many people and they have Surron. First time I'm seeing Surron in my life. Hello, hello. It's insane.
So, we're taking pics with him.
Mamă, nu lasă-o. Oh,
Se închisă?
da.
Expecting those many people,
Absolutely not.
announced this ride out, then I cancelled it, posted it again, he showed up.
The big guys with the Surrons. And he's winning the Surron like nothing. Look at that.
This is LA, dude.
LA of Romania.
Yo, yes, do you like my paint job?
Your paint job looks very clean. How much time did it take you to do this?
Like 2 hours, maybe.
You did it alone? What is your age?
14.
I can do this at 17, like. You are amazing, bro, come on. There are like 50 people here. Such a big ride out, dude.
Biggest ride out?
For me, yeah.
Same, I guess.
It's amazing. And look at that. Wheelie, 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 wheelie. Everywhere wheelies. Look at that. He's wheeling like for 1 minute already. Come on. There's a little kid on the BMX. He's following us. He has a helmet. He's wheeling the Surron like crazy. Bro, what is that?
Surron, but it's fully upgraded. There is a lot of police in here, but like we're gonna keep it low key.
Holy! We're occupying the street completely. Oh, he's cracking wheelies. Woo! How are you guys so good at wheelies?
I have one line battery, but I do it.
He just doesn't care about the battery. Conversion bike! I've never seen a conversion bike in real life, bro.
Yeah.
You're amazing. He's waving us, going in front. Sound of a Surron in real life is amazing. Like, you hear that? Look at that. Yeah, that's some JoyOnWheels thing. You just said that my front wheel is really cool.
Yeah, it's cool. You need to change it.
Bro, where are you taking me? You're kidnapping me?
It's like one of the best blocks in like.
Oh, so this is the safest block in your
yeah.
city. Yeah, we don't have safe blocks in my city. I think JoyOnWheels is thirsty.
I'm sorry to do anything water.
Came back with like 1 liter of water.
Aqua! Easy.
W guy.
Thank you, bro, thank you. He watched every video of mine, right?
Yes.
Hoarding the pack. He's like the shipman. Oh, big Romanian flag right there.
There was the park.
Where? In the gas station?
No, like in the back.
We have a Profi City on our right and wheels on my left. Where are we?
Yeah.
You didn't tax one.
Big parking lot. Perfect for me.
And for drifts. Tire is cooked already.
Let's go for speed.
The smell of burnt tire marks from me. Well, you okay, bro?
Yes.
Damn. Here there is police. We're occupying the whole entire sidewalk. It's absolutely packed with us. He's dodging every single ceiling. He's afraid he's going to get hit in the head. We're on the top floor. Look, this view here is even more beautiful in the middle of the day. Oh, and they were just in the elevator. He's wheeling in a curb. Like, look, he kept on the curb. You're the first person that asked me to sign his bike or his scooter. I'm gonna freewheel this. No!
No problem.
You want me to sign your phone? I will sign your phone, but I don't know how to sign. I'll tell you that. What is this? Your saddle?
Yes.
I'm getting better and better. You like my katana?
Yes.
The katana is removable.
Don't cut me.
You give me your money. You have euros here. They seem legit. And JoyOnWheels is calling me. Wait, I'm stealing little kids' money.
You are selling little kids for money?
Whoa, we ain't doing that
What
here.
the hell?
Wait, I'm just stealing little kids' money.
Don't show that.
He's just laughing, he doesn't even know what I'm doing here. I'm going to park next to the Labubu scooter. How many were here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's the security?
Yes.
Joy, we have to run from the security?
You have to run away.
So we have to run from the security, not talk with them beautifully, not?
Security is so cool.
I don't know why they complain about the security.
I'm impressed. They were like, okay, just go down.
Yeah, come on, get out. The storm hit really hard.
Look at this. Oh my god.
He wants a photo.
You know who is he?
Ersi.
Almost.
Messi.
Messi. You have to do a photo with Essie.
AC. Go down there on the road. I'm gonna do a big jump.
Wanna try with my G2 Master?
Bet.
Good luck with it. Is he going to die with it? Real quick opinions, come on.
No.
Yes.
You have trust in him. Let's see. Yeah, that is better. Best one yet.
I can do it better on the G4Max.
Whoa! He really did it better.
Oh my god, the feeling, dude.
Here we're not allowed to ride our wheels.
Oh, so here we are illegals.
Yes, but it's okay.
But it's okay. Whoa! Damn, that was close. Whoa! So that the tree branch just fell on us. Oh, tree right there. Whoa, gotta watch out for these tree branches. They're everywhere. This is the new bridge.
Ain't much, but it's honest work.
He's making the legendary outro right there. Please be safe. Now that's done, where we're heading?
Live stream.
Live stream. Well, these are a lot of scooters. We're going to watch the scooters with this power watt. Baby. Yeah! It's much more efficient than the hose. The G2 Master has never been as clean as this ever. It's like brand new. Going inside the workshop, the HQ. The live stream is about to start. We're changing the front tire on the G2 Master. Oh, we're already late. Go watch his live stream to see the process. Anyone want to say hi to YouTube? Hi. What's up?
Folks are driven 100 ARS.
And donations like crazy. Mr. Starvark just donated. He's on my visor. He's getting in the video. He requested it. You're in the video, bro. It's been an amazing video, guys. An amazing live stream too. Just look at our helmets. Mine here. And he's just absolutely fat. I want to thank you all so much. You made this possible. Leaving all these comments like collab, no stop collab in his comment section, in my comment section, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram. Been an amazing collab, like absolutely amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching until the end. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribed. See you next time.